Today we have with us Mr. Bob Williamson, the chairman of the Tooling Association of South Africa. Bob, nice to have you here with us. How is the tooling situation in South Africa? What have you learned? Is it comparable to Slovenia?
Yes, very much so. In fact, we have similar problems, and the thought processes are very similar when it comes to the solution that I think we're all collectively looking at. Our biggest problem is that over the last 20 years, we've actually had a degeneration of our industry, specifically because there's been an erosion of specialist skills necessary to take the industry forward. But fortunately for us, our government has recognized that without a strong and vibrant tooling industry, we just will not have a manufacturing industry. But some of our problems and our solutions are quite unique to our own environment, because I think everybody knows about South Africa's history. And one important and critical aspect of moving forward is to make sure that our industry, when it's fully rehabilitated, will represent South Africa in the true sense of the word, which means that when we've introduced our developed new skills development program, it's incumbent on us to reach out and identify inherent skills that may exist in parts of our community which may have been disadvantaged in the future and in the past, and make sure that as we go forward, they actually play a meaningful role in taking this industry forward.
Okay, South Africa has made private-public partnership work, something that Slovenia doesn't seem to make work or do. What are your advice? What would your advice be to Slovenian government and companies? How they should cooperate?
Well, a lot of it comes down to the way the structures are put together, because clearly it's not prudent for industry, for government to interfere directly with industry. So it was necessary for us to create forums where we could combine our thoughts with those of government for our mutual benefit, and that way keep a separation, but at the same time recognize that we only together would be able to rehabilitate the industry.
What other plans does your organization have right now? How will you face the challenges of the future?
Well, one of our primary objectives has been to make sure we've got the necessary skills in place for the future. We then need to look at the recapitalization of our industry and making sure that we're applying technology to its best advantage. We most certainly are not short of understanding technology, but are we using it effectively? No, we're not. Do we intend to? Yes, we do.
Thank you for your answers, and please keep up the good work.